one single loop through the gear, bring up 1.5 to 2 feet, rotate the loop over toward you, making a clockwise loop like this. Hold it, then make a second loop inside that one, across it, to make an elbow, and then lay all that over with this second loop slightly beyond this crossover, and then take the working end approximately the width of your palm and form a bite, and just set the bite right up through there in the center of the loops. Come around with your right hand, hold it firmly in place, and just start pulling back on the standing part. Being sure that this part of the line is this side of this one. This line should never come over there to the right. This part of the line should stay to the left of this. And this bite should be no more than 1.5 times the diameter of the line. Okay. And just gently pull up till it snugs up, and you're ready. It will stand the strain of the weight. Then when it's lowered to the prospective location, you simply shake the knot, falls loose, pull it through, and proceed to tie the knot on the next piece of gear.